Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 5, Lesson 2, Our Future. First, let's begin with our vision. Number 1. The earthquake was a real space. It destroyed hundreds of buildings. So, the right answer is the earthquake was a real catastrophe. Yes, catastrophe. Number 2. A doctor should space his patient well. The right answer is treat. A doctor should treat his patients well. Number 3. He can speak more than one language, so he can easily space as soon as he listens. He can easily interpret. Number 4. People who lose a leg don't expect it to regenerate. To regenerate. Number 5. A leader space his people with all supplies they need, so the right answer is provides. That's our vision. Let's begin with our new words. Number 1, acid rain. Again, acid rain. Acid rain, it's rain that can damage the environment and it's caused by chemicals in the air. Again, acid rain is rain that can damage the environment and is caused by chemicals in the air. For example, many forests have been damaged by acid rain. Again, many forests have been damaged by acid rain. Number 2, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, it's the gradual warming of the air surrounding the earth as a result of the heat. Again, the gradual warming of the air surrounding the earth as a result of the heat. For example, the greenhouse effect is causing the earth's atmosphere to heat up. Again, the greenhouse effect is causing the Earth's atmosphere to heat up. Number 3, global warming. Global warming, it's a general increase in the world temperature caused by increased amount of carbon dioxide around the Earth. Again, global warming is a general increase in the world temperature caused by the increased amount of carbon dioxide around the Earth. For example, the global warming will cause the icebergs to melt. Again, the global warming will cause the icebergs to melt. Let's complete number 4, rainforest. Rainforest. Rainforest is a tropical forest with tall trees that are very close together, growing in an area where it rains a lot. Again, rainforest is the tropical forest with tall trees that are very close together, growing in an area where it rains a lot. For example, most of Amazon rainforest is in Brazil. Most of Amazon rainforest is in Brazil. Let's complete number 5, carbon emission. Carbon emission. Carbon emission means the gas or other substance that is sent into the air. Again, carbon emission is the gas or other substance that is sent into the air. Like this sentence, coal burning power stations are a source of carbon emission. Let's complete number 6, endangered species. Endangered species, it's a group of animals or plants that may soon no longer exist. Again, a group of animals or plants that may soon no longer exist. For example, some endangered species can only be seen in zoos. The last one, solar power. Solar power. Solar power means using the power of the sun's light and heat. Again, using the power of the sun's light and heat. Let's complete verbs with nouns. Again, verbs with nouns. Number 1, access information. Again, access information. For example, the environmental organization like Greenpeace can access information about the effect of the acid rain. Number two, do research. Do research. As we know, a lot of scientists' jobs is to do research into the characteristics of our genes. Number three, treat illnesses. Treat illnesses. Pharmacists have developed a new drug to treat illnesses which affect the brain, which make us ill or feel ill. Let's complete make important discoveries. Make important discoveries. As we know, computers have developed scientists make important discoveries about space. So, number five, meet targets. Again, meet targets. We talked about it before, last term. The company was given a fine because it failed to meet the targets by the university. So, let's complete. Prevent, prevent climate change. Again, prevent climate change. Let's complete. Prevent climate change. Prevent climate change. For example, if the government don't take measures to prevent climate change, more natural disaster will occur or may happen. Let's complete. Reduce carbon emission. Again, reduce carbon emission. As we know, airlines are trying to reduce by developing planes with different engines. Reduce carbon emission, as we said before. Again, airlines are trying to reduce carbon emission by developing planes with different engines. The last one, make mistakes. Again, the last one, make mistakes. For example, developing countries should avoid making the mistakes made by developed countries. That's all for our new words. Let's complete our practice. Number one, if government don't take measures to prevent space, more natural disaster will occur. So, as we said before, to prevent climate change. Number two, skiing accident often result in broken limbs. So number three, the space helps to protect from harmful radiation from the sun. So the ozone layer, excellent, the ozone layer. The last one, solar power is a renewable source of energy. Again, the solar power is a renewable source of energy. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.